Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your Zoom meeting so you can avoid getting Zoom bombed, so stay tuned. Have you heard about Zoom bombing? Zoom bombing is the latest hack trick where people go into different Zoom meetings and they try to be silly or cause disruption. The Zoom meetings have public links, and then they have integers at a fixed length that you can guess with a computer program or just by trial and error. With tons of people using Zoom right now, lots of people are looking for ways to secure their Zoom meetings. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So one of the popular ways to do this is using a meeting password. So when you schedule your meeting, you can click the schedule button and it will give your meeting title and all the information. And notice there's this password field. And what you can do is you can set this to a code. I recommend using a random password generator to generate a password, and you want to make sure that it just includes numbers, and you can check the other fields off, and then you can make it 10 digits in length because that's the max it appears to be, and then you just copy that, and in your Zoom meeting you can set that as the password. Then anybody who gets that invitation will have that password, and you can send this out to people, and that way your meeting will be secure according to that password. If anybody tries to jump in, they'll need to enter the password and it will take a lot more work. But as you can see, you can still guess this number. So the problem is that anytime you have an integer or something, some kind of small set of characters that are guessable by a computer program, or you can use multiple computer programs to work together to do trial and error, you can have a lot of issues with this. If you want more manual control, you can use waiting rooms. Zoom waiting rooms allow you to allow people to come in or kick people out. It's like an intermediate room before the actual meeting room. If you go to Zoom's website on the Zoom Help Center, there are directions on how to enable the waiting rooms. So we're going to go through that. You can turn on waiting rooms by going to the Zoom dashboard after logging in using the web app. And under Personal, you can go under Settings, and under Schedule Meeting you can go under Advanced, and you'll see that there's this waiting room option. So it says attendees cannot join a meeting until a host admits them individually from the waiting room. If waiting room is enabled, the option for attendees to join the meeting before the host arrives is automatically disabled. So people can't automatically just join the meeting, and there's like a middle ground for them to join, so you can click this on. Now when you try to schedule a meeting, if we go into one of the meetings that we already scheduled, we can go under Advanced Objects, we can click Enable Waiting Room, hit Save, and then we can send off our invitation to somebody. So I'm going to send it to myself for testing. Now when you jump into the meeting that you've started, you can see in the top right that I'm trying to join from my phone as an outside user. And I can either remove that person, admit them, or send a message. If I want to send a message, I could say, hey, give me a minute to start, and that way that person would get that and they can open that notification and see what's going on, just in case you as the host are being late to the meeting or you're delayed or something. If you want to remove them because they don't belong, you can click here, and if you want to admit them, you can click here. I'm going to admit because I belong. And as you can see, both participants are here. If you want to remove somebody later on, you can click the more and then just remove them. But that waiting room allows for another layer of security where even if they guess the password and guess the link, now you can't just get in. So these are the measures that you can take in order to protect your Zoom call meetings and to be able to not be disrupted and to continue your workflow with ease. I hope you found these tips super helpful. I'm really excited to see how you guys use these tips to have more secure Zoom calls so you don't get disrupted and Zoom bombed, and I can't wait to hear your feedback on how it works. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want more Zoom videos, say yes in the comments below. Until next time, take care guys and have a good one.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.